This
Thank
is
you.
what I would really love to
Thank you.
inform everybody, every new person here. So, platinum is something changed
Thank
our
you.
perspective about our life. You know, you look forward to something, doing something. Big hugs to you and Niteshji, and feeling so blessed as always. Yeah, I platinum last June. Even though I joined in June, I skipped all the lessons, all the courses for 2 months as I was away because I was in double mind whether to join now or after coming back. But then I decided to join. This helped me in a huge way. Even though I missed the live sessions in those 2 months, I was going through the health mastery and I started following all of them to the T. And I started seeing the result within a month's time. I felt and I've lost 2 kgs, and within a month's time, this had happened. So it motivated me to continue the thing. And within 6 months, I lost 7 kgs. I do yoga always for the last probably 30-35 years. I've been doing yoga, so I won't have any health problem. So this was my mindset. For the first time after joining Platinum, after going through Health Mastery, not having sickness but being fit are two different things entirely. This understanding I got only after joining Platinum and after going through the Health Mastery course thoroughly. After probably I don't know how many years. I could dance in the DJ thing in the One Day Miracle for 2 hours continuously. Probably I took 5 minutes rest in between. And I could not be completely till the end. I could do it. And I felt so good about myself. I could do it. And this is something huge for me. And I came and boasted about myself to everybody in the family. And so everybody was happy about it. Oh, lovely. You must have had a blast, really, if you could dance. Unless you are in a happy state of mind, you can't do that for 2 hours. That is what people perceived. And that was the truth. That was a fact. And career front, you won't believe. I never thought of, while entering Platinum, I never thought of taking it as a career for myself. When I did all the courses, I thought of implementing on myself. When it came to Ho'oponopono, oh, it's good for me. And I'm going to heal myself and I'm going to heal my family. If any ailments are there, I'm not going to go to doctor. I'm going to heal people at home. This is what I'm going to do. This was the mindset. But after seeing results, Miteshji pushes us to do that weekly thing. I started doing it after 3 months, of course. But in the first go itself, I saw see people getting results. And that made me think further. I can't take it so lightly. I can't keep it just to me and my family. I should take it to the people out. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So I started doing this weekly free sessions, and people were coming. And from those people were coming for paid sessions also. So the point here is I'm thinking of making a new career at the age of 67 is something I myself never thought of. At home, back at home, people are thinking, why do you want to do all this? Why do you want to get into all this? You have been having a very jolly, happy life. Why do you want to get into all this? But somehow I feel so responsible now. I can't keep it to myself. I need to go out and help. It's money is this thing. It will come definitely, and nobody would say that I don't want money. Money I want. But more than money, when you're seeing people getting the results by doing these simple things, 20 minutes, 25 minutes you spend with the person, and you see the change in the person immediately. Within 3-4 sessions, you see the person transform. I feel nothing on the earth can
Amazing.
compensate
Amazing.
that kind of
Amazing.
satisfaction. I feel
Congratulations.
I should go with that. We really feel that we have benefited so much from them. We really feel we have to do something. I mean, we can't stick to only our own selfish interests. This is the thing that is everybody who is praising them is coming from their heart. This
Thank
is
you.
what I would really love to
Thank you.
inform everybody, every new person here. So, platinum is something changed
Thank
our
you.
perspective about our life. You look forward to something, doing something,
Thank
which
you.
you at this age I can very easily say, as you're growing older in your chronologically aging, you don't look forward to doing things. You just want to maintain things. But
Yeah.
now this desire to do something new, go out and do something, you start looking forward to it. That's a huge change for me personally. And I'm
Thank you.
sincerely grateful to both of you.